So here we are back again with another exciting stock tip for today. So the stock we have picked is Raymond, and before we go into the technicals and the fundamentals, let me just give you a brief of what Raymond is. So Raymond has established in 1925, has been operating for almost a century now, and they have primarily a lot of uh, textile brands like Park Avenue, Raymond, then Parks, then Color Plus. So some of the good textile brands they have in India, and moreover they have almost 125 acres of land in areas like Thane, so which is obviously a great asset for the company. And recently they have ventured into the real estate business with 20 acres of land and developing into some high profile properties and high profile apartments. So that's an overview of Raymond is. But considering the current scenario and the current trend line, as you can see over here, the stock is almost about to cross its 50-day moving average, and it has been firming like higher top and higher bottom prices. And as you can see, it has been consolidating for some like 4 to 5 months in this range of 350 to 400, and it has just recently is about to cross the 390 level or so. So you can initiate a buy call on this in the range of 391 to 398 for a target of close to 460, which is almost 16% upside from here, and can keep a stop loss of 372. Though I really do not agree on stop loss and all, but yeah, if you are convinced, then you can really add on to this stock when declines. Considering they have this huge land parcel, it really makes sense to add the stock in declines. So this is all about the technicals, but let's go into the fundamentals and find out how the company looks like. So we'll go into the Yahoo Finance portal and find it out. So as you can see, the stock is currently trending at around 381 rupees, and if you look at the 1 year chart, it has formed a low of 219 during the month of March during the COVID times, and from there on it has increased and reached a level of almost 381. So that's almost pretty much close to the double figure. But if you look at the 5-year chart, the story is completely different. As you can see, the stock reached a high of 1112 in 1st of April 2018, and from there on it just kept on going down during this mid cap crisis that happened in 2018-19, and reached almost 222 levels. But if you look at the overall max chart, it has been kind of pretty much achieved the lifetime high during 2018. Looking at some of the fundamentals, the stock has the P ratio is not there because it has given some losses in the last 12 months or so. So if you go into the stats, you'll see that the market cap of the company is close to 2500 crore rupees and has a forward P of 13.46. So even though the trailing P is not there, but the exciting thing is the forward P, which is 13.46, which looks to be pretty exciting, and that could give the stock a boost in the near term. Looking at the profit margin, it is negative because the trailing 12 months period has been they have made some losses there, but we'll go to the quarterly results to find out how they have performed in the last quarter. In terms of the overall revenue, the revenue is around 3300 crore rupees. Then there's a net loss of almost 400 crore rupees in the last 12 months. But the good part is they have almost a cash of close to 600 crore rupees, which is pretty good to go through any short-term issues they might have. If I go to the financials, you will see that the trailing 12 months has been negative in terms of the net income, but if you look at the last quarter only, they have made good profit. So that's again a positive on this stock. Alright, so considering all this, it really makes sense to invest in this stock and for some medium term gains, and at least you can expect around 20% gains in next 1 to 2 months. So definitely a good stock to hold on to. Alright, so that's pretty much it for today, and if you like this talk and if you like to get such stock tips, definitely subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get notification every time we post a video. Thanks for watching.